Yeah.
Got to help.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, he was a little baby.
Yep.
This looks wonderful. Okay, so now we're gonna. Hello everybody and welcome back to Simply Garden and Home. It's the first day of spring, a little earlier this year.
And of course freezing cold.
Yeah.
Look, like it's been nice all week. And now it's freezing.
Snow on the ground this morning, right? Yeah.
I know.
But it is earlier spring, a day earlier, March 19th. But guess what, before you know it, we'll be seeing daffodils and tulips coming up.
Wonderful.
So what's the tradition here, Jen?
Plant the peas. Now some years we have snow.
Yeah,
What's the tallest, right?
3 feet of snow to shovel off. Because ahead then. Yep, here we go. Yep, here we go, Carter. Okay. So we're going to plant some sweet peas. These are Lincoln peas. And yes, we have our coverings all set, ready to go. Plastic down here. We've got some wire hoops that I've used for probably 30 years. And
probably longer than that.
yeah, we got the coverings. And if it gets really cold, we even put blankets on top of this because it has been known to get down to the teens.
Okay.
But go ahead and do your thing.
How
Go
far
ahead.
apart do we plant them? How far apart do we plant them? Do we plant them really, really close? No. Let's see.
Well, the package
Carter,
says
that's awesome.
perfect. Yes.
Now, do we plant them in a straight row, or do we go kind of in a scattered?
In a straight row.
Well,
Yeah.
in this situation, we can do
Okay, here we go. Easier for you. There we
it
go.
more like that. Isn't that neat?
Yeah, it's perfect like that. You got it. There we go. See, back and forth, like that.
Good job.
Okay, here's some more. Here, like
One's
that. Go
way
ahead.
too close.
Put them in
It's
there.
okay if one's way too close.
That's
Don't
okay.
worry about
The
it.
peas don't
Thank you
matter.
for fixing it.
Oh, wonderful, Hunter. Oh, good job. Yes.
Wow, Hunter.
Would you like some more? Okay. Next one's me. Try getting spread a little bit more apart.
Thank you,
Okay.
Carter.
Okay, let's go down here. Thank you, Carter. You can
Now, what
rescue those.
color are peas when they grow?
Oh, look, we got
boys?
some doggies here.
What color are the peas when they grow, Carter? Yeah, why aren't they pink seeds?
Well, you have a little coating on so they won't rot in the ground. Some people don't like to do that, but for this time of year, I'd rather use it because it is quite early. Here we go. There we go.
Some more.
There we go. Some more. Here we go. Go for
And
it.
what type are we planting today?
These are Lincoln peas.
Lincoln.
They get about 2.5 feet tall. Last year was nuts because we had so much moisture.
That was the most insane pea year ever.
Unbelievable. Here's some more. Here we go.
We did have them all the way till fall, Carter. You're
Yeah, we
right.
did. We're still. Here you go. Go ahead and put some in there. Go ahead. Like this. Yeah, you spread them out like that.
Even the dogs will pick the peas pods right off the
Oh,
plants.
we had a
won't they,
golden
and eat
retriever.
them.
We had a golden retriever used to come out here when the peas were ripe in June and would just help himself. Herself. There's a she
Good job.
named Goldie. It was wonderful.
How many years have you been doing this?
Yeah, when'd you start this, Jen?
Mommy? I don't know. In a stroller?
And Uncle Andrew too.
In a stroller?
In a stroller?
Yeah, do you remember planting peas, Andrew? My son is here.
Do you
Say hi,
remember
Andrew.
planting peas?
My son is here.
Do you remember planting peas? Yes, I do. He does.
And by the way, it's happy birthday to Linda today. We won't say how young she is.
Whoa!
I remember planting peas with my daddy, though.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, yes.
Should I say
Carter,
how many years
do
ago?
you know what?
We'll give it away.
Carter, you've been doing this since you were 6 months old.
Yeah.
6 months old, we came out your very first spring.
Yeah.
You got to help.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, he was a little baby.
Yep.
This looks wonderful. Okay, so now we're gonna head and
Oh, this is Hunter's favorite part, right, Hunter?
with the hole.
Hunter, come here.
Yes.
go.
There we go. All right. So he's going to scoop it over about an inch of soil, inch and a half.
Do you know what that's called, that tool?
Good job.
Very good.
Perfect.
It's an awesome thing to do with children.
Yep, cool
Good
on.
job.
There we go.
Great job.
Tap, tap, tap. He remembered.
Very good.
Now
My brother
Carter's
tried.
turn.
Awesome. All right, so we got the ideas. Got a little more. There we go.
Okay, Papa.
Well,
When will we have peas by?
we'll have peas with this good covering, a little fertilizer and tender loving care by the first part of June, hoping. You know, they do call them June peas, right? Yes, we are in Zone 5, Southern New Hampshire, but thanks again for joining us, and we'll just continue doing more things. Spinach is up, radishes are up already, in the cold frames, of course. We had another video we'll be putting out on that shortly. Once again, thanks for joining us, and
yes, in case you couldn't figure it out, we're back.
Yes. Happy spring, everybody. We'll be back with
Say
more.
happy spring.
Happy spring.
Over here, and let me get this up. You can go and step in there. Go ahead. Step in there. Okay, and we're gonna pull this right here. Right here, I think. Yeah. Yep. Pull. Now kind of twist it. Whoa. Yep. Go. Jump in again.
I can't.
Just walk in. Walk in. Walk in.
No, but all
Just walk between the two of them. You're skinny. You're skinny. Go ahead. There we go. Okay. Now kind of roll it up. Pull the board. Pull the board. That's a boy. That's all there is to it. Look at that, huh?